Guy, if you remove bad character from me, guy, I'm a speck. Any man that cheats on me, any man that misbehaves, that is with me, okay, that you are the person that is losing. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. No be me they talk this thing, na Phyna for Big Brother Naija. If you're watching Big Brother Naija, you will know who Phyna is. Phyna recently did BBL. You see, BBL is the ending of my gender in Nigeria. On how my gender don't touch like 10 million, now they go rush go do BBL. Anyway, I don't need to say much. See this video for yourself and see what's in Phyna on how she do BBL. She they brag. I beg, watch this video.
Oh my body, let's see me now. I'm a speck. I be speck. Fine sheets. Oh God, like fine sheets. Let's just use your eyes, remove bad character, just blind bad character side face. Then let's check the remaining part of Phyna. I be fine sheets. So any man that will cheat on me or misbehave, then lose. You understand? This is after you've removed the bad character side, now lose. So even that bad character self, it's not even still too bad. You understand? So I'm not even scared of Lagos girls. Lagos girls got nothing on my relationship, I beg. Lagos girls got nothing on my relationship.
Hi, you don't see and say she's a speck. After she don't do the BBL, see speck now. But you know, anyway, let's leave this thing aside. But you know, there is this guy, my friend's friend, okay? You know what he said that he's looking for in a woman? He said that what he's looking for is a tall girl, light-skinned, that the person should be like maybe between her youth service year, like she'll be doing in school or either serving or a final year student. Okay, now this person did not say whether the girl is well behaved, whether the girl is from a well-trained home, all those things that you know. This guy, this person now is looking for looks. Right? Okay, now when you see looks, you don't ever see babe where set guy is set, but they made home. I mean the whole made of this person, the whole person, the person character na zero. But some people start telling you, I'm not looking for character. Let the girl just be fine. Let her be beautiful. See, if with 20 million, okay, if you're looking for a good woman that is beautiful, that is tall and light skinned and everything, with 20 million for yourself, you can get it. Because from what Phyna is saying, money can buy you looks. You see, money, whoever that is prettier than I am must have gone under a knife, or whoever that is prettier than I am must be wearing a makeup. This is the saying now. So if you are looking for looks, 20 million, 10 million can give you looks. So most people that come out here and be looking for, I want a woman, I want a girl, I want to marry somebody that is fresh and all that. You see why the world is Nigerians are gravitating from the natural bodies, from more important things to things that will fade out. Because in no time, let me tell you, highest 30 years, BBL will fade out. You see this BBL era, it will fade out. Apart from this thing, there are important things in marriage. In as much as looks, you follow. Looks so because you don't intend to more whoever, okay? Looks follow, but the truth is, people are now interested in looks more than the actual thing. The made up of the person, the character is important, because you don't intend somebody coming to the house and be shouting at you, giving you silent treatment every now and then. Just be on my looks, because the Agatha looks so well, okay? And the guy itself, they are the people that are promoting these things. A guy man, okay? After a guy man, I say, okay, I want my spec is a slim, slender girl. But when they with slim, slender girl, a babe with big boobs and big nyash will pass. Guy man, this is why this BBL will keep. This BBL will keep going. Because they say nyash. What's in the demand? They say nyash is everything. Nyash and boobs now everything now for the guys. After they start telling you character. Anyway, I don't need to say much. You don't see the video. Say una we be men. See what una cause. And some people are saying that they don't want to do it. Some people want to do it. Some women want to have big bum bum. Some women want to have big boobs. And you see that the BBL is not ending anytime soon, because the women, my gender in Nigeria, once they see money, vamos to go and do BBL and to impress the guys. Okay, so now blind the bad character and take the looks. Blind the bad character and take the looks. Let me ask you, my viewers and subscribers, would you go for the looks and forget the character. So like you want the big, Flavor say 24-inch boobs, 24-inch waist, and 54-inch hips, right? So would you prefer the looks or the character? Let's continue the conversation on the comment section. I'm your girl Bella on what is happening. Peace out.